What's up, everybody? Here's a 2023 Imago off-road camping trailer. It can be turned into an off-road camping trailer by just changing the wheels and tires. We'll start from the front. We have a removable coupler. On top of that, it has a 2-inch receiver, so you can swap that out to whatever you want, on-road or off-road. Has a jockey wheel, storage box. Storage box is set up for 2 batteries. We have some rock sliders here, just to keep you from damaging the fenders. The fenders are, however, very strong. We made these specifically for these trailers. In the configuration it's set up, it'll accept up to a 33-inch tire. If you do the axle flip, it'll give you up to about 35, maybe even a 37. LED lights, receiver hitch for your bicycles, spare tire, storage. Go to the other side, same thing, better view of the fender. These are, I think, 29-inch wheels and tires altogether. They're just basic trailer tires, nothing special. If you decide, you can go 32 to 30, maybe even 33, just the way it sits. But if you do the axle flip, you can get up to about 35. We purposely left the fenders pretty big so that you can put whatever you need to. Go inside the trailer, go inside the tent. That's some memory foam. This one has some LED lights you can plug in. Storage box, jockey wheel, Hickman tent.